For a number of times, we've heard the words hard or hardened from our readings today. And it seems something is given or asked of us. Ang katigasan ng ulo o ang katigasan ng puso ay isang bagay na hindi po natin maiiwasan sa karanasan po natin bilang tao. Minsan din nasabihan tayong napakatigas ng iyong ulo. May mga taong talaga namang matigas ang ulo at madalas din matigas ang kanilang mga puso. But my dear brothers and sisters, when Jesus came to heal the leper, He came not only to heal him from that certain sickness, but also from His healing, his heart may not continue to be hardened, but to be a heart ready to live and to love again. Noon pa lamang hinarap niya ang kanyang sarili sa harapan ni Jesus. Hindi lamang ang ketong ang gumaling sa kanya. Isang buhay at isang pusong matikas din ang muling nabuhay sa taong ito. I know that a lot of us in our prayers would ask the Lord to heal anything that is hard or bad inside of us. We say, Lord, sana gawin mo akong pasensyoso o pasensyosa. Lord, sana tulungan mo akong wag manira ng tao ngayon. Lord, sana maging gentle ako sa kilos at sa aking galaw araw-araw. Things that may add negativity, so to say, inside our hearts. And for those prayers we ask, this may be the leprosy that we all face. This may be the things that may harden our hearts. But this will be the same thing that Jesus would like us to be free from what can make us hardened and even lifeless. 10 years ago, our country, and in a very particular way, our cathedral welcomed the Holy Father Pope Francis for his papal visit. I was then third year college and was so privileged to serve him here during his Mass. Tayo po noon, lalo na yung mga nasa Tacloban, ay bumabangon pa lamang from the onslaught of the bagyong Yolanda. And maybe not only with Yolanda, with what we've been facing as a country and even personally, we bring during those moments. These things hardened our hearts. Nalungkot tayo sa mga madaming namatay o nawalan ng kabuhayan. Madaming humirap lalo ang buhay. Nawalan ng pag-asa ang madami. Ginapang ng madami ang kanilang buhay. But I do believe when the Pope came to visit us, our hearts were freed from being hardened. And many of us revived the hope, saw that joy is still here, that the possibility of a good life can still be embraced. He brought warmth to us. He made us aware that we can all be capable of mercy and compassion and not of living with hardened hearts. My beloved brothers and sisters, today we ask the Lord to free your heart from what can make it hard. As He heals us from sickness and pain, He also heals a hardened heart, ready to live and to love again. A hardened heart that may be unforgiving and cold, but once more a heart ready to live and love. From a hardened heart, may there be a heart ready for mercy and compassion once more to one another.